你好，我是 Marc. Hello, I'm Marc. Welcome to Crazy Grammar, the fun way to learn Chinese grammar. Today, we're going to look at a new use for the word 呢. We learned before that 呢 is used to indicate a question. We also learned that 在 or 正在 can be used to express an action that is happening at a particular moment. In this lesson, 呢 is to express the continuous tense with a more relaxed mood. Here is the basic structure. Somebody plus do something plus 呢. For example, 我吃饭呢 I'm having lunch. 他打电话呢 He's on the phone. 弟弟玩游戏呢 Younger brother is playing games. Josh, let's go to a nightclub, shall we? 你去吧，我看奥运会呢。Sorry, I'm watching the Olympics. 你在听什么？ What are you listening to? 我听京剧呢。I'm listening to Beijing Opera. Come on in, come on in. 你们在做什么？ What are you guys doing? 我们看足球呢。We're watching a soccer game. 你在做什么？ What are you doing? 我练肌肉呢。I'm building my muscles. Bill, 你在做什么？ Bill, what are you doing? 看黑衣人3呢。Will Smith 真酷。I'm watching Man in Black 3. Will Smith is so cool. Today we learned that the structure somebody plus do something plus 呢 translates as someone is doing something now. Got it? That's all for today's lesson. Now it's your turn. Upload your recordings and tell me what you are doing at the moment now using what we learned in this lesson. Leave me a message and don't forget to let me know what topics you want to learn. See you next time. 再见。别唱了，我看书呢。Which of the following statements is true according to the dialogue? He was going to sing. He had finished reading. He was reading at that moment. Please choose the best answer. Craig, 我们去打篮球吧。对不起，我不去。I'm learning Chinese now. Which of the following statements best describes what Craig said in the dialogue? 他学汉语呢。他学了汉语。他没学汉语。Please choose the best answer. John, 你在做什么？我玩游戏呢。Which of the following statements is true according to the dialogue? John is playing games. John has finished playing games. John is doing nothing. Please choose the best answer. Bill, 我们去游泳吧。不去，我看羽毛球比赛呢。Which of the following statements is most likely true about Bill? Bill wants to swim right now. Bill is watching a badminton match. Bill has watched the badminton match. Please choose the best answer. 喂 ，Marc 在家吗？对不起，他不在家，他踢球呢。Which of the following statements is true according to the dialogue? Marc is at home. Marc is playing soccer. Marc is going to play soccer. Please choose the best answer.